Today I show you this Parkside wire stripper tool, and I have another one very similar, but it's not from Lidl, it's not Parkside, and this one was really cheap and it can do 0.5 millimeter to 6 millimeter square millimeter for cables, and it also has a mode where it removes the jacket of the wires. And yeah, that has some information here about all the wires it could open. There are better tools to remove the coating from wires, but this is a really good one for removing the outermost coating, the thicker one. And then for the individual wires, this tool can do that, but it's not so good. It's not as good as other tools. I will show you how it looks like and you will see the details. They are pretty much standard, these tools, but I didn't know they have it in Lidl also, and I got it from Lidl, and we will see what's inside the box right now. This is a pretty standard way to open wire insulation, and they have markings for each side in multiple units, and it also has this kind of locking mechanism, which is usually common for them. What was a bit more interesting on this one is the thing I will show you now in a moment. There is also a ruler measuring unit. This is really useful to measure the length of this isolated wire to make sure it's not too long or not too short. Here this one is for the big cables, 8 to 13 millimeters, but it only has 2 blades there, so if it has 4 blades it's gonna be easier to use. Be very careful with these things, they are very sharp there. So yeah, the important thing, and the one thing the previous wire stripper I had didn't have, is this thing where you can remove the coating from the wires along the wire edge, like that. It has this blade built in there. I'm not sure if I would really need to use that, but it was very cheap, this thing, so I thought why not take it and maybe I will use it for something. And this, you pull the wire through that channel and it opens the wire without damaging the wires inside. At least this is the theory for it. That's how it closes, and it also has a blade for cutting a wire. I'm not sure if that's really convenient. This is a little bit difficult to use for individual wires if you're going to use this in a power socket, because there won't be much space, but if it's a big wire to pull it like that, it's pretty useful. I hope this helps you get an idea of how this wire stripper from Lidl looks like and if it's any good. Thanks for watching.